Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some awesome tips on how to save money while dining out. If you love eating out but hate the dent it puts in your wallet, this video is for you. We're going to be breaking down some seriously cool strategies so you can enjoy your favorite restaurants without emptying your bank account. Get ready to become a savvy diner and master the art of saving. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Get ready to dive into a world of savings and deliciousness. Did you know that tons of restaurants have crazy good deals just waiting to be discovered? Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about those epic Taco Tuesdays or Burger Bonanzas that'll have you saying yes please to more deliciousness for less. Imagine savoring a juicy burger or a flavorful taco without breaking the bank. First things first, unleash the power of the internet. It's your best friend when it comes to finding those hidden gems. Head over to your favorite restaurants' websites or stalk them on social media, like a true foodie detective. Follow their pages and keep an eye out for special announcements. They often drop those sweet deals there like it's nothing. Flash sales, limited time offers, and exclusive discounts are just a click away. Trust me, you don't want to be the only one missing out on half-price appetizers or buy one get one entrees. These deals are perfect for sharing with friends and family. Speaking of deals, let's talk about happy hour. It's not just about drinks, it's about the whole experience. It's like the happiest hour of the day, right? A time when you can relax and enjoy without worrying about the bill. Restaurants roll out the red carpet with discounted drinks and appetizers, making it the perfect time to unwind after a long day or grab a quick bite with friends. It's a win-win situation. Pro tip, happy hour times can vary, so be sure to check with the restaurant beforehand. You don't want to miss out on those special hours. You don't want to miss out on those epic deals. So get out there and start saving while enjoying some fantastic food. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of savings with dining apps and loyalty programs. These tools are your secret weapon to dining out without breaking the bank. These things are like treasure chests filled with discounts, rewards, and freebies. Yes, free food. Imagine having access to a vault of savings every time you dine out. We're talking about apps like Groupon, Yelp, and those awesome restaurant-specific programs that treat you like royalty. First up, let's dive into Groupon. This app is a goldmine for finding incredible deals on local restaurants. You can discover hidden gems in your area at a fraction of the cost. We're talking about discounts of up to 50% or even 2-for-1 deals. Imagine enjoying a gourmet meal for half the price. It's like having a secret society of savings right at your fingertips. Just a few taps and you're on your way to a budget-friendly feast. Just browse through the app, pick a deal that makes your taste buds tingle, and get ready to feast for less. Next we have Yelp. This app is more than just reviews. Now Yelp is known for its reviews, but it also has a secret weapon, the Yelp Cashback program. This feature can save you money every time you dine out. Link your credit card to the app, dine at participating restaurants, and boom, cashback rewards. It's a simple way to earn while you eat. It's like getting paid to eat delicious food. Who wouldn't want that? Every meal becomes an opportunity to save and earn. And let's not forget about those restaurant-specific loyalty programs. These are tailored to reward you for your loyalty. These programs are designed to shower you with love and rewards for being a loyal customer. From birthday freebies to exclusive offers, they have it all. You'll earn points, get freebies on your birthday, and even unlock exclusive discounts. The more you dine, the more you save. It's like being part of an exclusive club where everyone wins. So why not take advantage of these amazing programs and make every dining experience a rewarding one? Budget-friendly restaurants, where value reigns supreme. Alright, savvy savers, let's talk about choosing restaurants that won't break the bank. It's all about finding those spots where you can enjoy a great meal without feeling guilty about the bill. We're on a mission to find those hidden gems that offer incredible value for your hard-earned cash. Think of it like this, we want to get the most bang for our bite. Delicious food at a fraction of the cost. First things first, let's talk portion sizes. Bigger portions mean more food for your money. Some restaurants are known for their massive portions, which means you can easily share a meal with a friend or have leftovers for lunch the next day. Talk about stretching your dollar. It's like getting 2 meals for the price of 1. Look for places that offer family-style meals or platters that are perfect for sharing. Next up, combo deals. These can be a real game changer. These are a classic way to save money and satisfy your cravings. Combo deals often include a main dish, a side, and a drink. Restaurants often bundle together popular items like a burger, fries, and a drink at a discounted price. It's a win-win situation. You get a complete meal without breaking the bank, perfect for those on a budget. And for all you beverage lovers out there, keep an eye out for restaurants with BYOB policies. This can be a huge money saver. That's right, bring your own bottle. Whether it's wine, beer, or even a special cocktail mix. This can save you a ton of money on drinks, especially if you're dining with a group. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite beverages without the markup. Just be sure to check with the restaurant beforehand about any corkage fees. Some places might charge a small fee, but it's usually worth it for the savings you'll get. You've got this, savvy diners. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more money-saving hacks. Remember, dining out doesn't have to drain your bank account. With a little planning and these awesome tips, you can enjoy delicious meals without breaking the bank. Keep those taste buds happy and those wallets full. See you next time.